Hello, my name is Miss Laura, and today I'm going to guide you through a topic which for many of us was one of the most haunting subjects at school. However, for others it was fascinating, and this, my friend, is maths. We're exploring mathematics and numeracy, especially in relation to teaching and learning. We're going to investigate what mathematics and numeracy is and the different ways in which children engage and learn both at school and home. First, what is mathematics? The way we define mathematics is fundamental. It reflects the way we think and feel about it, and therefore it shapes the way we teach it. When you truly enjoy a subject or are passionate about a topic, it becomes easier to teach and more interesting for the people to engage with you. According to the Australian curriculum, mathematics provides students with essential mathematical skills and knowledge in number, algebra, measurement, geometry, statistics, and probability. What does it mean to be numerate? Numeracy is the ability to use mathematical skills in our everyday lives. We are numerate throughout the day while doing our activities at home, work, and school, and most of the time we don't notice it. The Australian curriculum states, numeracy involves students recognizing and understanding the role of mathematics in the world and having the dispositions to use mathematical knowledge and skills purposefully. At school, mathematics is not only found in math class, it is found across all areas of the curriculum. It impacts and influences the way children approach a new topic by using mathematical skills to analyze, problem solve, reflect, and therefore learn. For example, in English class, children develop skills which allow them to understand and make meaning of various texts and resources, where they are capable of identifying and analyzing the numerical information being provided in words or by recollection of data. In art, children use geometry, shapes, and patterns to create flags, drawing, paintings, or structures. In history, students need to be able to imagine timelines and timeframes to learn historic events. Two researchers by the name Gunter and Andreas believe that motivation is a key factor when teaching and learning mathematics. They emphasize on the issue of how children view mathematics and how their view influences the way they interact and engage with it. For example, when the word mathematics comes into our head, we automatically think of complex equations that we don't really understand, and we don't really understand how relevant they will be in our day-to-day lives. We may think math is only for engineers, scientists, architects, but the truth is mathematics is in everything we do, and the way we act towards mathematics will reflect on our teaching practices. Therefore, children need enjoyable, interesting, and challenging experiences that acknowledge and build on their prior understanding, capabilities, and dispositions. Mathematics is not just something that is taught, but something that is learned by applying it to real-life experiences. Teaching mathematical skills using different strategies and resources gives it meaning, makes it interesting and enjoyable as opposed to boring and repetitive. Children engage with mathematics and form ideas about mathematics through everyday experiences and interaction. Some strategies we can use to engage with children, scaffold, and innovate the way we teach mathematics for them to enjoy it are: get to know the children. Children's knowledge, current interests, and strengths shape the way we plan and create learning experiences. Teachers can support, encourage, and extend their mathematical development and learning by creative, meaningful, and quality experiences according to their current interests. For example, the Developing Early Mathematical Understanding document from the Queensland Government suggests that if we're teaching children counting and quantities, we can use different resources such as reading stories, singing rhymes and songs together, using art where children can represent the numbers with drawings, paintings, and manipulating different materials, playing games, and using objects to encourage counting. We can use objects children are familiar with or have a current interest in, such as dinosaurs, shapes of different colors, images, and more. It's important to remember that children's learning and development is strongly influenced by the adults around them. According to the Smith Family Research Report, the first and most influential teacher in a child's life is their parents. Parents are the first relationship children have, and they play a fundamental role in teaching mathematical skills. Therefore, another strategy to support children's mathematical skills and development is by working hand in hand in building meaningful and respectful relationships between teachers and parents. Children develop mathematical skills very early in life, and they continue to learn and practice them through day-to-day activities, including play. I know it can sound very overwhelming. All parents want the best education for the children, and sometimes they don't really know how to help their child when it comes to mathematics. Even you as a parent, if you're not a very big fan of maths, you're in fact teaching your child unconsciously mathematical skills. Children start learning mathematics by watching the people around them, especially by observing the family members or adults they share the most time with. Here is when language also plays an important aspect in their mathematical development. For example, telling the time so they know what time they have to be at school and how long they have to get dressed, eat breakfast, and shower. Counting the stairs with them as they walk up and down. Children begin to understand the concept of sharing by hearing and understanding words like half and quarter. When helping to cook, they learn the concept of measurements and quantities while they help to make breakfast, lunch, or dinner. When folding or washing clothes, they can help to count them, separate them, or group them into colors. Also, when shopping, you're teaching them the value of money. Using everyday activities to teach mathematics skills makes learning relevant and meaningful and encourages a positive disposition. If you are interested in furthering your knowledge and want to continue to help improve and engage your child in mathematical learning, there's a variety of resources we can recommend and guide you with. For example, using internet resources such as ABC Kids and Scoodle.com, which provide a range of fun activities, games, and reading materials you can do at home. Another resource is Let's Count program, which is suggested by the Smith Family Research Report, is aimed to support children's mathematical learning skills from a young age. It allows educators to build relationships with families and work hand in hand to encourage and promote positive mathematical experiences for young children. It creates opportunities for children to explore mathematics and numeracy concepts, especially in the home environment, using resources and activities that are fun and relevant to them. The program encourages parents' confidence and their ability to guide and support their child's mathematical development by providing resource packs, which include ideas, tips, games, and books